Welcome to AllInvoice. This video will give you a short overview of our time tracking and invoicing software. Here we have the dashboard. You can see total active clients, total active projects, employees currently working, and invoicing information for the week. You can also customize a logo, and you can see your plan's number of employees allowed. AllInvoice is built around clients. By clicking on the Clients section, you can see all of your clients in one view. AllInvoice is designed so that if you bill in advance of work being done, after work is done, or on a specific date, it is easy to manage. For clients that are not billed on a specific date, the utilization percentage is an easy way to see who needs to be billed. Unlike most project management, utilization here is expressed as a percentage difference between the client's balance when the most recent invoice was marked paid and the refill amount that you can specify for each client. By clicking on a client, you can see details on their contact information. Each client can have multiple projects assigned. Here you can see hourly rate, time worked, and any assigned employees. By clicking Invoices, you can see any invoices created for this client. And Transactions will show you anything that has adjusted the client's account balance. Could be a work session, or an invoice being paid, or a manual adjustment. You can click to create right here. Under the Work tab, we can see any work session that's been created and the cost based on a hourly rate assigned to every project. You can also edit a work session by clicking here, or manually create a new work session by clicking here. In the Employees section, you can see all existing employees. You can note here that we are currently not able to create any employees since our employee limit has been reached. However, you can edit or deactivate an employee by clicking on the pencil icon, by marking the employee inactive. We can create a new employee. To create an employee, you need to enter a name, a valid email address, set a password, and select a role. Manager is the top level, which is what we're logged in as now. A supervisor has access to assign employees to specific projects and edit work sessions, but they have no access to financial information. And a worker is the lowest level. A worker can log in and start and stop work sessions on assigned projects. You can select the time zone for this worker. If not, they will be assigned the firm time zone, and set an IP pattern. So you can set a specific IP address or a range of IP addresses which this worker would be able to log in from. Then you'd submit. The Invoice section will show you existing invoices and their status. You can easily mark an invoice as paid. Here we have an unpaid invoice by clicking the Record Payment button. The total amount of the invoice will display here. You can edit that if you want to pay it in smaller increments or in multiple payments. The payment method and any type of transactional ID you need. Submit. And now we can see that invoice has been marked as paid. This has been a brief overview of AllInvoice. We have additional videos detailing the specific features for the application. Thanks for watching.